Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to Love and Soul. You are here with Ro, and in this video I'm going to share with you my favorite affirmations for self-love, so feel free to repeat them out loud or in your mind. Spend all the time you need afterwards to reflect on them and feel the truth within you. I am enough. I am enough. I am more than enough. I am valid and valuable the way I am. I don't have to please others in order to be loved. I am inherently worthy and deserving of love. Because I am love. I love and accept my past, present, and future self. I treat myself kindly and gently. I only allow kindness into my life. My sensitivity is my superpower. I am unique and important. I make a difference. I am accepted and loved wherever I go. Everything works out for my highest good. Excitement is my compass. I am resilient and strong. Change is good. I am one with life, God, universe. I do what I love and I love what I do. I don't have to justify my existence. I don't have to follow rules or traditions I don't like. I release any belief that tells me I have to struggle and suffer. I do what feels natural to me. It's good to do what's easy and authentic. I live with joy and optimism. My fears teach me discernment. My love is stronger than my fear. I create and nurture amazing friendships. I find peace within myself. I create my happiness. I live mindfully, one moment at a time. I belong here. I am beautiful. I am wanted and needed. I deeply and completely love and accept myself.